Alright, after an oven is turned on, its temperature T is represented by the equation T equals 400 minus 350 times 3.2 to the power of negative 0.1 m, where m represents the number of minutes after the oven is turned on, and T represents the temperature of the oven in degrees Fahrenheit. How many minutes does it take the oven to reach a temperature of 300 degrees? Alright, so all we really need to do is use this model here and plug in our numbers. So we want to know how many minutes does it take the oven to reach a temperature of 300 degrees. So we want the temperature to equal 300, so 300 equals 400 minus 350 times 3.2 to the negative 0.1 m. Okay, so let's start solving for m. So subtract 400 from both sides. 300 minus 400 is negative 100 equals negative 350 times 3.2 whoop, to the power of negative 0.1 m. Keep going. We need to get this to the point where we can log both sides. So divide by negative 350. So 100 over 350 equals 3.2 to the power of negative 0.1 m. You can simplify those zeros, call it 10 over 35. Cool. All right, we'll rewrite this as a log. Log base 3.2 of 10 over 35 equals negative 0.1 m. So divide by negative 0.1. So log base 3.2 of 10 over 35 divided by negative 0.1 has to equal the number of minutes it takes for us to get there. And calculator crunch time. Hit the alpha window. Option 5 gives you log base, and you can enter the base of 3.2, which is pretty nice. And then you can enter 10 over 35, which is also nice. Then you could exit your log, and then you could divide by negative 0.1 and find that the time to heat the oven is going to be 10.77 minutes. If you're on an old school calculator, you should enter that as log of 10 over 35, comma, 3.2. That's going to give you log base 3.2 of 10 over 35. It's the easiest way to do it. You could also use change of base formula and then divide that by negative 0.1. You get the same number.